All right, let's talk about how to scale your small business without, scaling your hours into infinity. Today, we're going to dive into the strategies and tools that let you build a real machine for growth so you can finally stop working in your business and start working on it. Does this hit a little too close to home? You're putting in all the time, all the effort, all the passion, but you feel like you're just stuck on a hamster wheel. The growth you're dreaming of just isn't happening, and you know deep down that working even more hours isn't the answer. Here's the thing. The problem isn't your work ethic. It's your operating system. But here is the really good news. There's a massive shift happening right now. The playing field is literally being leveled. These incredibly powerful tools, and maybe more importantly, these powerful mindsets that used to be only for huge corporations, well, now they're accessible to everyone. Yes, even you. Okay, so the first and most critical shift you have to make is this. Stop thinking about your business as just a long list of tasks. You have to start seeing it for what it truly is, a system. This is all about making that leap from being an operator stuck in the weeds every day to becoming an architect, the one who actually designs the whole machine. So what do I mean by a system? Well, it's way more than just a checklist. Think about it like a coffee machine. You put in the inputs, that's your coffee beans and water. The machine runs a process, and what do you get? A predictable output, a cup of coffee. Your business is exactly the same, just a bit more complex. It's a machine designed to produce a specific result, and once you really understand how that machine works, you can start tweaking it for maximum output. And you know what? Every single business system has these same four key parts. You've got your inputs. Think of these as leads. You've got your processes. That's the assembly line, like your sales calls, that turns those leads into actual customers. Then you have your outputs, the final product, like profit. And then the secret sauce that most people forget, the feedback loop. That's what makes the whole system smarter and better over time. This brings us to a really important question. What output should your system be focused on? This advice from Jeff Bezos is just brilliant. Instead of chasing every new shiny trend, you should build your entire system to consistently deliver on the things your customers will always want. That's how you build real long-term value. So where do you even start building? Well, every single business, I don't care if you're selling software or sandwiches, has these four core functions. Marketing's job is to generate the inputs. Sales processes them. Operations delivers the output, and finance manages the results. Your job is to build a solid system for each one. And the good news is, you now have more powerful tools than ever to get it done. Right, so once you've got this system mindset, you can start upgrading your toolkit. And today, those upgrades are unbelievably powerful and easy to get. All thanks to two absolute game changers, SaaS and AI. I mean, this comparison really says it all, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the old way. Huge upfront costs, needing expensive hardware, a total maintenance headache. And on the right, that's the new reality with software as a service, or SaaS. Predictable, low monthly fees, everything runs in the cloud, and it's designed for you to set it up yourself. This frees up your time and money to focus on growth, not on being an IT expert. And hey, if SaaS is the new engine for your business, then AI is the turbocharger. Artificial intelligence is the ultimate upgrade because it lets your system actually get smarter on its own. It helps you analyze what's working and what's not, so you can make decisions based on real data, not just guesswork. And please, don't think this is some far-off futuristic tech. Small businesses can use AI today in so many practical ways. From sparking content ideas and managing your social media, to sending super personalized marketing emails and having chatbots engage customers 24/7. It really can impact every single part of your business system. Let's make this super concrete. For social media, you have tools like Sprout Social that use AI to tell you the exact best times to post for your audience. For marketing, a platform like High Level can automate these incredibly personalized follow-ups. Want to know what your competition is up to? SEMrush can literally reverse engineer their entire strategy. These tools give you superpowers that used to cost a fortune. Okay, so you've built your system, you've upgraded your tools. Now, for the most important part, optimization. This is where you flip the switch on that feedback loop to find and fix the bottlenecks that are holding your business back. And this is so important. A system without a feedback loop is just a set of instructions. It gets stale, it can't improve. You end up fixing things based on hunches instead of facts. The feedback loop is what turns a static system into a dynamic, intelligent machine that actually scales. Here is a super powerful way to visualize this. Imagine your entire business, from the first marketing touch to the final payment, is one single pipe. Leads, like water, go in one end. As that water moves through the pipe, it becomes a happy client. And what comes out the other end is profit. So, when things feel stuck, it's because that pipe is blocked somewhere. The smart move isn't to try and fix everything at once. No way. You track your data to find the single biggest blockage, your main constraint, and you focus all your energy on fixing just that one thing. Once it's fixed, you open up the marketing tab and let more leads flow through. Then you just find the next bottleneck and do it all over again. It's a constant cycle of improvement. And all of this leads to the final transformation. It's not just about what you do, it's about how you see your own role in the business. This is the ultimate way to work smarter, not harder. So this really presents a fundamental choice. You have to ask yourself, which one are you? Are you the operator on the left, stuck on the hamster wheel, working in the business, just reacting to problems and burning out? Or are you the architect on the right, working on the business, designing systems for growth, and proactively building real freedom and rewards for yourself? You get to make that choice. Ultimately, this is the entire goal. When you combine the systems thinking with all these amazing modern tools like SaaS and AI, you can finally build a business that grows independently of you. You build the machine, and then the machine does the work. So I'll leave you with this one question to really think about. If your business is a pipe, where is the water getting stuck? What is the single biggest bottleneck holding you back right now? Find that, and you've found the key to your next big breakthrough.